What's up everyone, this is your host Som, and if you're first time visiting to the YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And today's topic is on the email marketing. So you would be finding, if you're an online marketer, business owner, or an affiliate marketer, you have an online presence, then you need to have an email marketing services. So why we need to have the email marketing services? Because you go to any website or you go to any channels, if you don't get an email once you opt in for anything, just like you went to an Amazon, you go to Flipkart, or you went to any of the websites and you go ahead and put your information, name, email address, then you should get an email. So otherwise you become skeptical, right? So in the same fashion, if you have your own brand, if you have an online presence, email marketing is the must tool for you, because otherwise your customer will never return back to you because they become skeptical. So if you are into an online business, if you want to grow your business, and I would be presenting you with the best email marketing tool right now. It is affordable and also you can get started, and it's easy to use. Autoresponder or email marketing services. So it comes with an autoresponders, and all together you can create a landing page inside. So I would be jumping into and showing you on the screen what is this tool, how you can grow your online business with the help of the email marketing tool named as GetResponse. So if you have not yet heard about GetResponse, please type in the comment box this is the first time you are looking for GetResponse, because in the next video I will be getting into the clear in-depth tutorials about how to use it. But this is the overview about GetResponse. What is GetResponse? Why it is important to have email marketing services in your business? Because email marketing is one of the tool where it is never ending process. It's all about once you go to any website, you get a welcome email, thank you email, and also if you want to convert that a customer, you need to send them emails. So email is the first point of contact for any customer. So email marketing, you will be getting a marketing automation, landing page, and webinar systems. So what is this GetResponse is all about? GetResponse is a powerful tool where you can have all these features and functionality. I do have an account with a basic account I want to show you here. This is a basic account, okay, which costs you $15 per month, and there is a next plan that is a pro version, how your subscriber increases, where you can go with a $49 per month plan. So what are the features and functionality what we have? The first thing is the email marketing. That is email marketing where you have a communication tool, conversion focused funnels you can create. You can have an autoresponder. Someone goes to your landing page and they provide you information, name, email address. They get an email autoresponder. That means it auto responds to the customer. And also you can create a landing page inside. That means you can create a beautiful landing pages. You can create an automation inside who subscribe, whom you want to like automate the process. You can do it with the help of automation, form and survey filling, webinars, and Facebook ads. And this all are an advanced plan. You can go with the Facebook ads, webinars, and form filling. But I believe this is what required here is an email autoresponder, and autoresponders works amazing with this. So I do have a email responder for this, okay. So now someone goes to this page and opts in. For an example, I will take this as an example. Someone opts in here. They should get an email automatically on their email address. That's really important, right? So once you are going here, I will choose one of an example here and look at this. Once I opt in, okay, the visitors went to my website, and I have integrated a GetResponse in this website, in this button, and now they will get an email automatically here, okay. So they have went to the thank you page right now. This is my training program, and this is my training program, and they have registered right now. So immediately once they register here, they will get an now we will see how this contacts. So once you click here, so I want to see who has opt-in, and you click on show contact, you can see the magic here. So someone has opted in right now, and you will be able to see this by checking out here. Okay, so you can see that I have provided this, and it says May 27 2020, and this is the Indian time, and also you will get the IP address where they have went through. Once you click on here, you will get all the details where they have subscribed from. So you will get all the results. So it says 8:45 p.m. and with the help of API, the location is Pune location, which can help you to retarget your lookalike audience with that. And also you can see that, so it says highly engaging, the score activities, and all together everything is being showed. Look at this. This is the beautiful landing page in front of you within a few seconds, right? So you can see how powerful this system is. So within a few seconds you got this, and if you want to go ahead and edit this, you can just have to drag and drop and you can edit this. So it's so powerful. Okay, and also they have created a thank you page that complete the survey, and they have the thank you page. You can just go here and just go ahead and edit it. So it's so simple. Once you go here, you can just go ahead and type it here and edit this. So it's so simple to use it. So for an example, I want to choose the image, drag and drop, and you will see the image, and you can use the buttons, everything. So I will just make it undo. In this fashion, where you can add the card, where you can add the titles, drag and drop text, videos, and everything, you can do it. This is a simple way. If I want to preview this, videos and everything, you can do it. This is a simple way. And you can see the landing page. I will come back here. So you can see the landing page is there, right? It's so easy to create a landing page inside this, and also the thank you page is already there. You just need to integrate your autoresponder, and it will ready to boom. Okay, so this is the one way where you can do the landing page and email responder all together. Now we will look at how you can create your email responder. So I say, for an example, a demo, and I choose email responders as I have to create a list first. After that, you will get the name. You need to select one name, and now once you go here, it says same time when you sign up. So you have a lot of options. If you want to delay with this, you can delay exactly at what time you want to send the email. You can get that. So customer opt-in, so what exactly time they want to get it, at the same time when they sign up is the best option. You go here and click on this. So I have chosen this logo here with the image. Okay, you can just need to click on it, and you need to click on the image you want to insert, and that's it. You can insert the image. You can insert this image like this, and you can create the text here which says so thank you for registering for the webinar roadmap for digital autopilot system, and I am inviting them for a webinar at 7. So in this way, where you can go ahead and edit this one, and you can book a calendar. So I have created the button here, so you just need to redirect them. You can see the button with a URL here at the bottom which says yes, I want a VIP pass. Once they click, it will redirect them to the VIP. And also you can see that mobile view here, how this works on mobile version. So you can see that here, right? So once you scroll how this works, you can see that on the mobile version. So it's so easy to create. Just drag and drop. You don't have to worry about the images. One click and that's it. So if you want to check it how this works, a test message, so you can click on here. Once it is ready, once you think that it's ready, you can click on send test message from this email address, and you can see that how this looks. Okay, so email has been sent. It has sent an email to the test to my email address where I subscribe, where you can check it out, right? So you get an email. I got an email right now on my smartphone where you can go ahead and check it how this gonna looks like. You got the point, right? So how to create this email list is so easy. Newsletters, autoresponders, easy to create, integrate the URL, and that's